Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Serenity Haven Homestead. This is Matt. We got the dozen chicks hanging out in one corner in their water bottle. I've got about 2 teaspoons of honey, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and the rest is water. And that gives them a boost of everything and helps them out in general. And all of them are doing great. All of them are growing. This little girl here, that's Chicken Nugget. She's not growing as fast as the others, so I'm not sure if she really is an ISO brown, but she's growing, just not as fast. Whereas these right here and those back there, they are now double in size of what they were when we got them. So, and they'll double about every 2 days in size, to where this one tub that we have them in, storage tub, I don't really recall how big it is. I'll find out and say it in another video. But that's their second quart of feed, and where I put it to where they can get down to that. They still have plenty of feed. They're eating it up. I'm going to come through and I'm going to take up the pie pan, the water jug, change out the bottom bedding litter, and go from there. I didn't do a video yesterday, but this is day 4. So, and there we have one, or actually a couple of them, that love to run. And they'll do like a figure 8 round through here. Let's see if we can get this girl. Come here. Up. Come on. And they'll even begin to perch on a finger. Their reaction in the mirror is sometimes kind of hilarious. They'll look at them and peck at them like, who are you? But they've even fluttered up and almost out a couple times, which I've got a wire thing to go over top of this, which we'll put that on later, so that way they won't be able to jump up and out. I don't know if you can see it, but there's one underneath them all. Hey, it's Rose. And like I said, Rose, like Chicken Nugget, she is a whole lot smaller than the rest, but that's okay. She'll still grow. So will all of them. But anyway, I got Finley wanting to come in and say hi. I don't know if you can see him that well yet. There you go. Yep. I know you want to be in here. Elsa's gotten in here a few times, and because this is one of the bedrooms we don't use. And she's been stuck in here for a little bit. But they also go back in the other part of the room and do some running around on their own. Anyway, they're growing. They're doing great. Like I said the other day, Chicken Nugget there. She wasn't doing too hot that one night, and we got her turned around and warmed up and doing better. So everything's doing good. Hopefully in about 3-4 months they'll start laying eggs. That way they'll take care of the rest of the critters we got going on. Anyway, y'all take care. God bless. Like, share, subscribe. I'll also be posting this up to Facebook, or the link to this video on Facebook. Y'all be good.